I went for the look like if Tinkerbell was an Instagram baddie. That's basically, this is what she would look like. Alright, so I started with hair. Just gonna do 2 little strands in front of my closure. This is a closure wig that I got made. And I'm gonna do a high pony at the top with everything else down in the back. If you see some tracks showing, mind your business. Going in with my hot comb. I got that from beauty stores, like $15, and that thing gets hot. It gets really hot. And then I'm going in with my wand curler. I got that from Walmart. It's by Remington, and I got that in like 2016, and she's still with me today. So I highly recommend it. And you know, just curling everything. And I go in my coconut spritz that really gets all the body to stay in my got-to-be spray. And then I just pin curl the 2 strands in the front so I can go in with my makeup and then put everything in my little bonnet. And so now I'm doing brows. I went for like a really straight, narrow brow. Not too arched. You see at the end it's really slanted. I just thought that would look cool for what I was going for. And then shape it up as usual. And now eyeshadow. I start with like a bright green that I got from the James Charles palette and wing it out. And I use baby oil and a Q-tip just to make sure it doesn't go up too far from where I want it to go, because I want it to go in with this light color right here, which is like a lighter green, also in the James Charles sister palette, and blend that out. And then I go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette in a little forest green color just to make it really dark in my crease, so when I cut the crease, the contrast would be more bold. And I have this Moon Dust palette from Urban Decay, and it has a green shadow shimmer type color that I put above that light green color. And then I also go in with the gold color from that palette too, a gold shimmer, and put that right under my brow bone. And I have this NYX white concealer I use with a concealer brush and to cut my crease. And I'll wing that all the way out to the edge of my brow. And I use a Q-tip to just make sure everything is cut very sharp. And we end up wiping it off anyway because I just needed to have to cut it. I didn't really need it for the shadow, which I'm using right now, which is a white from the sister palette, and then a beige from the sister palette, just to make it kind of like an ombre transition from that dark green. And then we clean it up on the edges and make sure everything is bold. So I'll go in one more time. And I have this Fenty Beauty yellow eyeliner. And then I also have this green shimmer eyeliner that I bought from a beauty store. And I was gonna like layer them like one on top of each other, like one under each other, but I tried to do that and it just kept mixing. And so I kept mixing them, right? And it turned out to be this like gold, I mean not gold, like neon green color once they got together. So I was like, oh, this is cool, I'm gonna just do that. So I just literally layered them, mixing them together so they can get this bold neon green color. And then I used the edge of that green shimmer bottle and use the tissue and baby oil to just clean it up. You can use this with, you can do this with a makeup wipe too, and just make sure everything is straight and neat. And then I got these little crystals from Michaels, and this was so nerve-wracking. I used my lash glue, duo glue, to use it as adhesive for the crystals, but they kept falling It's either I couldn't pick them up because they were so small, or I would use my tweezers to pick them up, and they kept falling out the tweezers. Eventually, I got it, but it took a long time. I just wanted the eyeliner to pop a little bit more, so that's why I went on there. And it's like green and white crystals. I did them like in a pattern. And going back in with that white NYX eyeliner in my waterline. And then I'm going with that bright green and then a yellow on top of that green, just like to make a small little dot in the corners of my eyes. I just thought that looked cool. And then I have this milk eyelash primer, and I was like, I'm gonna just keep it white. It looks cool like that. And Laura Geller on the top lashes. And then the lashes I ended up using, I got them from like a beauty store too. And I'm going back in with that green shimmer I used on my eyes with my fan brush, and used it on the sides of my face for like a green highlight. I just thought that looked cool. And then I go in with some blush from TooFaced, and then this highlighter from NYX. And then I use the red and the orange from the Sister palette for blush as well, just to make it like really dramatic. And then we put our hair down and tease it a little bit to get the body and just get it to how I liked it. And yes, girl, that's the look. For lipstick, I line my lips with Chestnut from MAC. And then I go in with this lip gloss from this company called The Lip Bar. They're black owned. And I found about them from Essence Fest last year. And then go in with some lip gloss that I'll link in the description box. And that'll be it. Oh wait, no, shimmer from Laura Geller. And now that's it. All right, so did I do this or did I do this? Okay. I'm really happy with how everything came out. I am the baddest Tinkerbell, period. Okay, I went for the look like if Tinkerbell was an Instagram baddie. That's basically, this is what she would look like. She would have nails though, but I ain't had time to get them done. But this is everything finished. And y'all, I just finished taking my pictures. I did my own one woman photo shoot. You can see the little setup I did over here in my little corner. My room is a mess because I had to just throw everything together by myself. But there we go. But I'm so happy with how this came out. I got these wings from Goodwill for like $10. I got this corset from Rainbow. Yeah, Rainbow. You can see it. She cute. And the skirt I have on, you'll see in my pictures if you follow me on Instagram. Which is Rogene, my name. I'll spell it. You should know it because you're on my channel and my channel name is Rogene. Anyways, the skirt, got that from Marshall's. So yeah, girl, we balling on a budget, but we still cute. But I hope y'all enjoyed this look. Stay tuned for my other video for Halloween looks that's coming up next. So stay tuned, turn on my notifications, please subscribe, please follow me on social media, and thank you guys for your support. Bye.